Hello everyone. I'm so glad you could join me today. What I want to talk about is something that lies at the core of your existence, something powerful and transformative, the law of assumption. Have you ever felt the weight of your financial worries? Have you ever wished to attract wealth into your life, but felt stuck, unsure of where to begin? Well, today I'm here to share insights that can change everything. Imagine for a moment what it would feel like to act like a millionaire. Not just to think about it or dream about it, but to truly embody that mindset. You see, our external reality is a reflection of our internal beliefs. If you assume the feeling of being a millionaire, you will begin to manifest it in your life. This isn't just a fanciful idea. It's a practical approach to reshaping your reality. The first step is to understand that the world is your mirror. The circumstances you find yourself in are merely reflections of your beliefs and assumptions. If you believe that wealth is unattainable, your life will mirror that belief. However, if you choose to assume that you are already a millionaire, your world will begin to shift in alignment with that assumption. Let's break this down. When you assume the feeling of wealth, you start to operate from that mindset. You make decisions, take actions, and engage with the world differently. You no longer see scarcity. Instead, you see opportunities. Every choice you make is imbued with the confidence that you are on the path to financial abundance. Now, it's essential to realize that acting like a millionaire goes beyond just thoughts. It's about feelings. Feelings are powerful. They have a magnetic quality. When you feel wealthy, you attract wealth. So, how do you cultivate those feelings? One effective way is through visualization. Visualize yourself in a situation where you are enjoying the luxuries of life. Imagine the sensations that come with that experience, the warmth of the sun, the comfort of fine clothing, the laughter of friends around you as you celebrate your success. Feel every detail in your mind and allow those feelings to resonate deeply within you. But visualization alone is not enough. You must carry that feeling with you throughout your day. It's about maintaining the vibration of wealth, even when circumstances appear to contradict it. When faced with a challenge or a lack of resources, remind yourself that this is merely temporary. Your internal state is not dictated by external conditions. It is shaped by your assumptions and beliefs. Another crucial aspect of this process is gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool that aligns your energy with abundance. Begin each day by expressing gratitude for the wealth you already have. This can be as simple as appreciating the food on your table, the roof over your head, or the relationships you cherish. The more you focus on what you have, the more you attract. Affirmations also play a significant role in this journey. Craft affirmations that resonate with you, such as "I am worthy of abundance" or "Wealth flows effortlessly into my life." Repeat these affirmations regularly, especially in moments of doubt. As you speak these words, visualize the reality you desire and feel the emotions associated with it. Engaging in self-talk is another effective strategy. Throughout the day, check in with yourself. Are your thoughts aligned with your assumption of being a millionaire? If you find yourself slipping into negative thinking or doubt, gently redirect your thoughts back to your goal. It's a practice, and like any skill, it takes time to develop. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals is also beneficial. Seek out those who inspire you, who embody the wealth mindset you aspire to. Engage in conversations that uplift and motivate you. Remember, energy is contagious. Being around abundance-minded people will reinforce your own assumptions and beliefs. Additionally, it's essential to take inspired action. While the law of assumption emphasizes the internal state, it doesn't mean you sit idly by, waiting for wealth to come to you. Be proactive in seeking opportunities. Whether it's investing in your education, exploring new ventures, or networking with others, take steps that align with your assumption of being a millionaire. Now, let's address a common misconception. the idea that wealth is purely financial. Wealth encompasses more than just money. It includes health, relationships, and overall well-being. As you cultivate your millionaire mindset, remember to nurture all aspects of your life. When you approach life holistically, you create a rich and fulfilling existence that naturally attracts wealth. You might wonder, how long will it take for me to see results? The truth is, the timeline varies for each individual. What's important is to remain steadfast in your assumption. Consistency is key. The more you practice and embody this mindset, the more your external reality will reflect it. As you begin on this journey, be patient with yourself. There may be moments of doubt, times when old beliefs resurface. Recognize these feelings, but don't let them dictate your actions. Return to your assumptions, your affirmations, and your visualizations. Your persistence will pay off. Consider the power of surrender in this process. Sometimes we hold on too tightly to the how of achieving our desires. Release that need for control and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Your role is to assume the feeling of being a millionaire and to align your actions with that assumption. The details will unfold in divine timing. One vital practice is to keep a wealth journal. Document your thoughts, feelings, and experiences related to wealth. Reflect on your progress and celebrate the small victories along the way. This practice not only reinforces your assumptions, but also serves as a reminder of how far you've come. Another technique is to use visualization boards or images that resonate with your wealth goals. Create a visual representation of the life you desire and place it where you can see it daily. Let those images inspire you and evoke the feelings of abundance you wish to embody. Let's not forget the role of self-care in this journey. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. When you feel good about yourself, you are more likely to maintain the vibration of wealth. Engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's exercising, meditating, or spending time with loved ones. A healthy mind and body are essential for manifesting your desires. Now, as we navigate through this transformative process, be mindful of the language you use. Words hold immense power. Speak kindly to yourself and avoid negative self-talk. Replace limiting phrases with empowering ones. Instead of saying, "I can't afford that," shift to, "I choose to invest in my future." This simple change in language reinforces your wealth mindset. Additionally, practice mindfulness. Stay present and aware of your thoughts and feelings. When you find yourself drifting into scarcity thinking, gently bring your focus back to abundance. Mindfulness helps you cultivate a deeper understanding of your beliefs and allows you to make conscious choices aligned with your assumptions. Another effective method is to engage in the practice of detachment. This might sound counterintuitive, especially when pursuing wealth, but detachment allows you to maintain a sense of peace regardless of your current circumstances. By letting go of the desperation or anxiety surrounding your financial goals, you create an energetic space for abundance to flow into your life. This doesn't mean you stop taking action. Rather, you approach your goals with an open heart and a mindset of trust. Developing a daily routine that reinforces your millionaire mindset can also be transformative. Start each day with practices that elevate your energy. This could include meditation, exercise, or reading inspirational material. Creating a morning ritual that aligns you with your intentions sets a positive tone for the day ahead. As you engage in these practices, visualize the day unfolding in ways that align with your wealth goals. Moreover, consider the role of service in your journey toward wealth. When you serve others, whether through your time, talents, or resources, you create a ripple effect of abundance. Service fosters a mindset of gratitude and connection, reinforcing the idea that wealth is not just about accumulation, but also about sharing and uplifting others. When you focus on the value you can provide to the world, you align with the energy of abundance. As you explore these practices, allow yourself to feel joy and excitement about your wealth journey. Celebrate small wins and acknowledge the progress you make along the way. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a reflection of your commitment to your assumptions. This mindset shift can transform challenges into opportunities for growth and learning. In closing, I invite you to take the teachings of the law of assumption and integrate them into your daily life. Allow your thoughts, feelings, and actions to align with the millionaire mindset. Trust that the universe is responding to your assumptions and intentions, and be open to receiving the wealth that is rightfully yours. Thank you for being here today. Your presence means a lot, and I hope you found value in these insights on attracting wealth through the law of assumption. If you enjoyed this content, please take a moment to like this video. Your support helps spread these transformative ideas to more people who may benefit from them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more enlightening discussions and practical tips. By subscribing, you'll ensure you never miss an update and will be the first to access new content designed to help you elevate your mindset and attract abundance. If you found this information helpful, share it with friends and family who may also be interested. Let's create a ripple effect of positivity and abundance together. So, consider turning on notifications so you can stay informed about our latest uploads. Each video is crafted to support your journey towards wealth and fulfillment, and I'm excited to share this knowledge with you. Note, you have the power to shape your reality. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in our next discussion.